Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are finally in March. So in this video we are going to pick my March TBR. Well, for this month I have certain books in my mind that I have to add in this TBR. But I also want to keep my TBR open so that I could add some books as the month progresses. Let's just go and pick my March TBR. So here are the 3 books that I have picked, and I have ordered one book. It's going to come next week. Among the books that I have picked, the first one we have is A Time Machine by H.G. Wells. This is one of the earliest sci-fi novels that was ever written, and so many movies and series are based on this plot, but still I just wanted to read this classic sci-fi book. As far as I know about this book, The Time Machine is a first-hand account of a time traveler's journey into the future. A pull of the lever and the machine sends him to the year 802,701. Here his machine is stolen, and with the help of Veena and Eloy he saved from drowning, the traveler is able to retrieve it. Whizzing 30 million years further into the future, he finds a slowly dying Earth where the bloated red sun sits motionless in the sky, and the only sign of life is a black blob with tentacles. He returns to the Victorian time overwhelmed just 3 hours after he originally left. So that's all I know about this book. So it's basically quite short, it's a classic, and I have wanted to read this book since some time now, and I am expecting some good time reading it. The next book we have is Every Spiral of Fate by Taherihi Mafi, and this is the one book that I'm very excited to read. This is the 4th book in this Woven Kingdom series. I'm pretty sure you must have heard about Taherihi Mafi. She is the famous author of the Shatami series, though I haven't read that series yet, but I'm in love with this Woven Kingdom series. It's a fantasy romantasy that revolves around prophecy, dragons, soulmates, enemies to lovers. The pull of the story, of the plot is so intense that you might think that it's little dramatic, but trust me guys, read it and you will understand what I'm trying to say. It's a beautiful story, and I think this is quite different from the Shatami series. This is more of a romantasy kind of book, while Shatami is a dystopian romance. I think I might pick that series too. Coming next we have is When the Moon Hatched by Sarah A. Parker. This book I have been seeing so much on BookTube, Instagram. So many readers have given such good reviews about this book that I am little scared that what if I don't like it. I'm pretty sure this book is going to have a magical fantasy world, some romance and dragons, obviously. Have you read it? If you have, please do tell me whether you liked it or not, and I will update you when I read it. The next book that I want to read is the book that I have ordered. It's A Theory of Dreaming by Eva Reid. This is the 2nd book in the duology A Study in Drowning by her. I never thought I would ever like Dark Academia, but trust me guys, I could have never picked a book better than it. It's such a beautiful story that is written in beautiful, unsettling and romantic way, and on top of that the plot. It's gothic, it's academic tension, it's soft but intense romance, and has a beautiful psychological depth. The sequel follows Effie and Preston on their final adventure. So this is the final book in this duology, and I can't wait to read this book. So far I am happy with my picks for March, and for the rest of the month I am going to just go with the flow, see where the time and my mood takes me, and read without any pressure and without any checklist to mark. If you have read any of these books, please do comment how was your experience with it. Do like, comment and share, and see you in the next vlog.